Hello everyone, welcome back once again, and now we are going to learn about the margins. So margins, you need to know about the use of margins because when you are going to create a website, you must have to set up the margin at right, left, top, bottom. So therefore it's really important for having the margin. So for setting up the margin, let's get back to our details page, and in here I want to take an h5 tag, and inside the tag I want to take this this dummy text, and we got the text in here, and I want to set up the margin for this text. So let me save it and let's take a look at how it's look like inside our browser. So you can take a look, we got the text in here, and now we're going to set up the margin for this text. Okay, so how you will set up the margin? You can do these things in 2 or 3 different ways. Likewise, you can create a div style, you can create a classes, you can create a IDs. So you can follow any one of the rules for creating the margins. But if you want to go with a div, you can create the div. If you want to go with the classes, you can create the classes. So I'm going to create the margin with the classes. So let me create a class with margins. Okay, margins, and then you have to put the curly bracket, and inside the curly bracket you have to set up a few things. Likewise, the borders, height, weight, top, bottom, all the things you have to set up. So let me type border 1 pixel, solid color, and then I'm going to type margin top, and then I'm going to type margin bottom, then you have to type margin left, and then you have to type margin right. So here is the margin right, but margin have lots of options are available, like block end, block start, inline. So I'm going to pick these 4 things because these 4 things are widely using. So let me select this margin right, and now you have to put the values for your properties. Okay, so for margin top I want to put 100 pixel, margin bottom 100 pixel, for margin left I want to go for 80 pixel, and for margin right I want to go for 150 pixel. Actually depend on your need in which side how many pixel you want to keep the margin. You have to select the value of margin, or you have to put the value of margin in here in this margin properties. Okay, so let me save it, and now we have to declare, or we have to place this margins classes in our text. So you know how to do that. You just have to put a space before the greater than sign, and you have to type class, and inside the quotation mark you have to type margins. Let me save it, and now let's take a look how it's look like in our live server. So you can take a look, we have the text in here. Okay, we got the margins in here, but before applying the margin this text was not in here in this position. Okay, so let me customize the margin value, and as an example let me place 50 pixel for bottom, and let me save it, and you can take a look, it's reduced the 50 pixel in bottom, and I want to reduce the value for top. So therefore let me reduce the value for top, and for top I just selected 50 pixel. Let me save it, and you can take a look. The top margin are applied because I reduced a 50 pixel for top, and now the text is placed in here. So depend on your need, you can set up the top value, bottom value, left value, and right value. So this is how you will apply the margin to your style or to your text using the CSS.